When the gentle sea breeze dances through your hair, when the waves bring back the memories we share, when your silent heart speaks louder than the night, know my road has always led me to your light. When the stars awaken over skies so blue, every moonlit whisper brings me back to you. Every drop of water calls your precious name. My love will always burn with one eternal flame. Don't go searching far beyond the sea. What you're dreaming of is here with me. When you hear the ocean softly sigh, you will know our love will never die. I am the one you're looking for. When the lonely nights grow cold, I am the voice that softly tells you love is stronger than we're told. I am the one you've always dreamed of. When the morning meets the sea, as long as songs are born in Dalmatia, you will always be with me. Others offer treasures made of gold. I just want the hand that I can hold. Hearts are never made of stone or steel. True love always knows what's real. Salt and pine are carried by the breeze, bringing back our sweetest memories. Let the rolling waves embrace our souls. Your love is all that makes me whole. If you ever doubt what fate has planned, hear the ocean calling through the sand. Every voice in harmony will say our love will never fade away. I am the one you're looking for. Every shining star agrees. I will be the hand beside you, like the endless summer breeze. I am the one you'll always cherish. Time can never change what's true. While Dalmatia keeps on singing, I'll forever sing for